Hey guys, Tanya and David with Outside by Side. A company called Kohree reached out to us to do a quick review on their trailer hitch coupler lock, and we really like this. It's made out of high strength structural steel, and you're gonna see how secure this keeps your camper.
So it's very important to secure your trailer, no matter if it's in the storage lot or at the campground. This is the Kohree product. It's the hitch lock. It comes with 4 rubber boots to protect it. It also comes with 4 keys, and you can see what it's made out of. It's very heavy. It's 1/4 inch structural steel. Here's our existing lock. Let me show you how easy it is to get one of these off. This lock is very solid. It weighs almost 8 pounds. You can see the construction of the metal, and the way that it works is you pull out this rubber cap, put your key in the hole, it drops down, place it on your hitch, slide this up, and lock it. Let's see if a grinder like this would be strong enough to cut into this lock. So as you can see, this lock would be very tough to break into with some kind of a saw or a cutter. Practically cut all the way around it with my cutoff grinder, and I was unable to get the lock off easily. We really feel much more secure now using this lock instead of some of the alternatives out there.
Check out the link below for more information if you're interested in purchasing your Kohree hitch lock. Thanks for watching.